my name is Michael Lynch. I'm a professor in the School of Life Sciences, and my research is primarily focused on trying to understand the mechanisms of evolution, how evolution transpires from first principles.
So Dr. Lynch has been a role model in so many different ways. He's trained a generation of scientists, training over 100 postdocs and graduate students who have gone on to populate the field. He's been the president of many scientific societies and been on the editorial leadership of a number of journals. He really is a major presence in the field, and he's contributed so much to the advancement of the field.
The three things, to my mind, that characterize Michael are, first of all, his creativity, secondly, his leadership ability, and third, his vision for what research ought to be. And I think Arizona is in a wonderful opportunity to capitalize on those particular traits that he brings together in a very unique way.
ASU and biodesign in particular gave me an opportunity to start a new center and to do things in very different ways than anybody's done before in evolutionary biology. Most universities, evolutionary biologists are housed with the ecologist, kept separate from the cell biologist, the molecular biologist, developmental biologist. And my interest has always been in tying these things together, not keeping them separate, but by pulling them together. So ASU gave me the opportunity to start this new center called Mechanisms of Evolution, where we're focused on things at the cell level. I would never have been able to do this at any other university.
So Dr. Lynch's research has impacted everything from our fundamental understanding of how life evolves to very specific things, like, for example, his work is really critical in saving wild populations of salmon in the Northwest.
He also made really important contributions into how new genes come into being, and so he's well known for that. And more recently, he's worked a lot on the determinants of mutation rates in different organisms. And he's particularly known most recently for his emphasis on the importance of population size in how finely tuned evolution can make adaptation.
And then the field of genomics started. We started sequencing whole genomes. You're all familiar with the Human Genome Project and so on. So all of a sudden, we had data that we never had before. And so I, with a few other people, tried to start a new field of evolutionary genomics. And now the latest transition has been cell biology, which I've been doing for about the past decade. So we're really trying to, here at ASU, trying to start this new field called evolutionary cell biology.
I don't think that there is a geneticist in the world who wouldn't recognize Michael Lynch's name.
Probably. At this point, I think the way I hope to influence the future most here is through education of my own graduate students and postdocs who will go on to sort of move this field into a broader national landscape.